But during the summer, we have the opportunity to look at every bus that comes through.
We got 3 simple rules of driving the bus. Well, I know a lot of people think summertime is our downtime. It's actually when we really ramp up our training. We take advantage of the time and we really pour into our drivers.
There's a lot of behind-the-scenes work that goes on. Our team is very dedicated, and they put a lot of hours in behind the scenes to make sure everything runs smoothly.
The main thing on these school buses is safety. Make sure that the children are safe, that they have a safe transportation to and from school.
We are the first people that students see in the morning and the last people they see in the afternoon if they do use school transportation. So knowing that they're home safely, we can track that bus, we know where they're at. We have that full transparency for parents as well.